Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to upload and clean Excel data with Google Gemini. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Gemini, open it, and after that go and upload your Excel file. So you have two options. You can import it from files if you have the file already on your phone. Or you can go to Google Drive, click on Drive, and go to My Drive and look for the Excel file that you want to upload and to get the data out of it. So for example, I will take, this Excel file. And here you can ask Gemini to do anything that you want with that, like with the data of that Excel file. For example, I can tell it like, please clean the data on this table and organize it. And of course, it depends on how big the Excel file is, but you should know that you can import maximum until now 100 megabyte, like is the maximum file size that you can upload to Gemini. And after that, I will click send. Of course, it will take some time, but in your case, it will take like the time and give you the result that you need. And even if it will not give you like the table that you need or the file that you need, you can ask Gemini to convert the data in a new table and download your new Excel file. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.